how to create a QR code. I'm going to pull up my web browser. Anything that is web-based, meaning it has a website or a URL, can be converted into a QR code. And this could work for YouTube videos, it could work for websites, and it can even work with anything in Google Docs. So anything that you make in Google Presentation or a Google Doc has a URL, and it can be turned into a QR code. What I'm going to need to do first is I want to copy the URL. And you can see this is an itinerary for a program for an in-service. So I'm just going to copy the URL at the top. I'm going to open up a tab and go to Google. In Google, I just want to type in the Google URL shortener. And I would recommend bookmarking this site or creating a shortcut for this site because it is extremely useful to use. So I'll go to the Google URL shortener, where I will click inside the text box and just paste the web address that I've copied, or the URL that I've copied, inside. Click on the button where it says shorten URL, and the shortened URL will show up. And underneath it says details. Go ahead and click, and I'm going to click on details. And you can see over to the side, it creates a QR code for me. And from here, all you have to do is take a screenshot of this QR code, and it'll place that right onto my desktop. And here comes the screenshot. And now I have a QR code for this in-service Google Doc that was created, Google Presentation that was created. From here, you can print this, you can drop and drag it into a Pages document and then print from there, and then just cut it out, and you can place them all over your classroom or anywhere that you might want to use it. That is a very simple way to create a QR code.